Everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer money from Chime credit card builder to your checking account. So first you need to do is open up your Chime app and then log in your account. Once you have logged in, you have to click on this move money option at the bottom. Now this will list many options that you can use to transfer your money. So from here you have to click on this transfer funds option. And after this will show you this interface. So from here you have to select the from account. You can click on this option and then it will list all the accounts that you have linked to your Chime. So from here you have to check the credit builder card account, and in the to section you have to select your checking account, and once you have selected you can click on this transfer button, and once you do that it will ask you to double check everything. You have to check the amount and available, and you have to make sure that you have selected the right account in from and to section, and then click on this confirm transaction. So once you do that, your money will be transferred from Chime credit card builder to your checking account. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.